In the world of drastic development in almost all the fields, we sometimes find ourselves stuck somewhere in life with devices and its accessibilities. Sometimes we even fall in that problems where we even invest our money or time besides unable to know what's the actual problem is. So hello guys, you're watching Tech and Technicals. Here you could acquire a certain amount of knowledge about daily routine device usages and their accessibilities. So, basically, you will acquire the basic to high standard knowledge about the current trend of technology and easy handling of devices. In addition to it, you can also get review about many products and best of them. As it's 21st century, AI and GPT softwares too play a big role in the content provided. So, let's start our journey together with an overwhelming heartful welcome from our side. Make sure you subscribe and share with your family and friends so that we can lead the beginning of this era.